Hi, my name is Nawaf. I'm from the Middle East, currently based in Auckland, New Zealand, or like they say in America, Auckland, New Zealand. And I recently graduated stage one of Greg McLeod's Pip and Run program. About this time last year, I started looking into financial investments. What I knew was that I needed an additional source of income. What I didn't know was where to start from. I didn't know what to research, which companies to look into. I didn't even know that you had to look into whether the company paid you dividends on an annual basis. And funny enough, I didn't even know you needed a broker to get into the stock market. And then COVID happened, and there was a lot of uncertainty. Everything was up in the air. People were freaking out. Um, but some people were saying, "Oh, now's the right time for you to invest into a particular company or two." And I was just very skeptical about it in the beginning. But by June 2020, I pretty much opened up an account with my bank, which happened to be a broker with the New Zealand Stock Exchange. And again, a bit of skepticism until September, until I finally took that leap of faith and invested in one of the companies. It's been profitable ever since. I've not made any losses, no concerns yet, but the price has been going up and down. So moving on, I knew this guy. He's a friend of mine. At first, I didn't know that he was into financial investment until one day he was over at my place with a bunch of friends for barbecue, and he was chatting to my sister-in-law about financial freedom and trading 2 hours a day from your laptop anywhere in the world. And it just sounded too good to be true. So I got in on that conversation, and I asked him for more details, and he gave me his business card. And I went onto the website, elitetradersuniversity.com, and I watched the video, and I was very keen to sign up for the course. Obviously, he sent me all the details, the course fee, the structure, and so I got a bit skeptical again. I was like, what am I going to get from this? This guy's got 20 years of experience. Greg McLeod's got about 30 years experience in financial market. And like, how am I going to get to that or even close to that in 12 weeks? But I knew the guy. And so I trusted him, and I knew that this was going to work out somehow. So I signed up, and it was a slow start in the beginning. Because I have a baby and a toddler, it's a full-time job on its own. That course content is beautiful. Greg has a very nice set of modules that you go through. He's got a really nice sense of humor, but he's also very on point with his information. You just need to stick with it and go through it, and it's very insightful. He gives you a lot of insightful information. I didn't get to simulation trading until January, which was about 2.5 months later. I started off, trading historical charts, accurate, actual historical charts, but you had the benefit of fast tracking the results. Made a bit of losses. I was making about 60% win rate, and then dropped down to 40, went up to 60 again, 70, and then as I progressed, I got up to 80, 90%. And then towards the end, I was making 100%. If it drops below that, it goes to 90, and that's it. It was very, very beautiful experience. I'm telling you, it was beautiful. And so it was time for me to move on to stage two, which was demo trading. And from day one with demo trading, I made $500 just like that. And I'm talking about trading live charts, trading actual live charts with currency pairs. So what I'm trading is just not with real money, but I made that much profit from day one. So this is a course that I highly recommend for anyone that would like to have an additional source of income, potentially one day retire earlier than the retirement age, and end up making so much money from this. This is a perfect opportunity for people to actually get in on the big game. Greg McLeod has really, really helped me fast track that, and I want to thank him for it. I want to thank him for his decades of experience that he delivered in 2 weeks.